Oh, that was quick. That was quick. I saw some blow-ups here. It's a jack though. But, oh well. Top water jack. No snook does circles like that. Let me get him out of here. Good Lord, he just ran into the boat. Oh my God, they're blowing up all around. I don't want to get hooked again. Come on. Totally swirled on right there. Right when I was about to pull it in. There we go. Oh, it came off. Look, he came off and another one hit it. Plan is fine mullet. Fill the live well with some mullet. We got some bait. He's totally getting blown up on the wall. Look at that. Did he take him? I don't know if he took it. Oh, darn it. There's a shade line. Oh, he just got hit right there, I think. No? That's Jack's, but... Oh, Jack just took him. He's got him. He's got him. That's good. That's just a Jack. Oh, look, he's still eating him. He's still eating him. Look at this. See the Jacks in here? It's all Jacks. That was funny. I could see him I could see the Jacks with the mullet in his mouth. There's like 10 of them following him. I don't want to waste all my mullet on these guys. It's a good Jack though. Let me get him off. I went to turn the camera on and, oh, there he is. Closer to the wall, the better. Just for the, there he goes. He got hit right there. Okay. This could be a snook, maybe. It's big, whatever it is. Drift back out. Wow. I think it's a Jack, but. Yeah, that's got it. It's a Jack. Thought he was a snook, but look out, see how fast he's swimming. Rapid runs and quivering. Yeah, it's just a big Jack. He's right here. There's small schools of mullet cruising around, and as they go by these seawalls, they're getting blown up, so. Pitch it into the shady spot. Take him again. There it is. I think it's a small snook. Come on, take him, take him. Oh, there we go. Nice, nice. I knew it. I thought it was a snook. Decent one. This whole wall's getting blown up. I thought it was jacks, but got a decent snook right here. He hit it like 5 times. There's a big blow up under that dock too, so I got to get back there. Nope. Nice one though. Nice little river snook. There he is. There you go. There you go. That'll work. Go. So I'm casting at rolling tarpon. There we go. Fighting like a jack. My mullet's out on the other rod. Boy, very, very subtle. Very subtle hit. Not a roll, but a tarpon absolute blow up. Oh, there it is. Got him, got him. Oh, damn it. I think he was out of view of the camera. Shoot. That was tarpon. I turned to hit him and I think it was out of view.